Good morning, guys. As I woke up and I looked through my door, this is what greeted me this morning. Oh my goodness, it's snowing. This is in front of my patio. Yeah. I can't even open my door to say, let me go outside. It's not so high, look, as though it want to come through the door. Watch there. Watch it. It's still falling. And the sad thing about it, I have to go this morning because I have to go to work. Watch the snow. It's not so high. This is looking through my front door. You know, if you can see over there, you can see it so high. It probably this is probably to my hips. Yeah, if not to my hips, almost there. You know, it's so high, and it's still falling. See if I can pull back the side door a bit and get a better view of what's going on outside. You know, and it's so cold. You know? Yes, guys, that's what's happening today. It's a winter snowstorm. Yeah, see? It's so high. It's so high. It's snow. I have to go to work. Still, as much as I love to stay home today, I have to go there. I have to go to work. So I'll just show y'all guys a little bit of what's happening outside today. And you can drop a comment down below. Let me know what y'all guys think. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Susan Pilgrim 6807. I would appreciate it so much. Thank you guys. Have a nice day. Bye. Until I drop my next video, have a great day. Take care.